Hello everyone, I'm Sonam. Welcome back to our channel Pabbly, where we teach business automations, and today's automation is about extracting the data from Gmail to Google Sheets using email parser. That means we are going to collect the specific type of emails from your Gmail account to Google Sheet so that you do not have to go to your Gmail account and manually search for specific set of emails in future. You can access your data, Gmail data, in an organized way directly from Google Sheets. So different type of data can be exported from Gmail to Google Sheets in real time. Let me tell you with an example that let's say you are getting lots of queries from the user in your Gmail account, and these are actually the potential customers for your business. So you can create an email list by exporting all the emails and contact information to the Google Sheets. Another example that let's say your bank sends a transaction confirmation emails for each transaction. Now you can collect your expense data into Google Sheets, and by the end of the month you will have a nice overview of all the expenses organized in Google Sheets. The last example, let's say you receive lots of order notifications emails daily in your Gmail. You can actually export the order related emails from Gmail to Google Sheets and keep a track of all the previous and daily orders in Google Sheet. And this is how, using this automation, anything can be extracted out from your Gmail messages to the Google Sheets automatically using email parser. In this video, I am going to create an automation where I am getting lots of queries in my Gmail account, and since these are the potential customers for me, so I am going to collect these email addresses to my Gmail account so that I can actually create a proper email list for me. Okay, but there is no direct connection in between Gmail and Google Sheets. So to set this automation, I am going to build up a connection here, and I can do it with the help of an integration and automation software, Pabbly Connect. So watch this video till end and you will be also able to create this automation very easily without knowing any technical knowledge. So open your browser and type pabbly.com/connect and press enter, and you will reach to the landing page of that automation software Pabbly Connect. From this blue button, create your free account, and you will also get 100 free tasks in the free account so that you can create this automation for free. Now click on access now. I already had an account, that's why I have logged in directly, and you can see I have reached to the dashboard. Now you will have to click on this blue button and give any random name to your workflow. Let's say I am giving the name as Gmail to Google Sheets. Okay, automation. Alright, now click on create, and once you will click on create, you will find two boxes in front of you. These are actually trigger and action. Let me show you. Trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Understand with an example. Basically our automation is going to work on these two concepts only. Okay, so let me tell you an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. When a form is submitted, let's say Google Forms application, send a file via Google Drive application. According to our use case, whenever you receive a specific email, add it to Google Sheets. So this is how, that is why I am going to select here email parser but not the Gmail, because we are going to collect the data of Gmail not directly via Gmail but with the help of email parser, and this will help you fetching the data of Gmail here. What is the process? Well, the instructions and the tutorial is given here, and let me even tell you, first you will have to copy the data, but basically this email address, and we are going to our Gmail account. Here you will have to go to the settings, see all settings, and here you will find an option of forwarding. Okay, click here and simply paste the same email address which we have received from the Pabbly Connect. So basically we are going to forward our Gmail emails to Pabbly Connect, and this is how we are going to create the automation. A confirmation code has been sent to this particular to verify permission. Click on OK, go back to Pabbly Connect, and you can see Pabbly Connect has immediately captured the data of Gmail. Directly go to the body text. Okay, where is the body text? Okay, let me go up. Where is the body text? Here it is. You can see, you will find the confirmation code here. Copy it go back and paste it. And this is how you can actually complete the verification process, enable this particular setting, and finally click on save changes. And we have set the forwarder. You can read you are forwarding your email to this particular email address. Now what we are going to do, we are going to first click on this particular button, recapture email response. So basically we are going to send a dummy email here from this email only, because I am creating it just for the dummy purpose. So I am sending an email to this particular email address only. Okay, let me compose an email. So I have composed an email as a user and going to forward my queries to this particular email address. Let's pause the video and send it. And you can see we have received a new query from a user to our this particular Gmail. Let me check whether this particular email, this particular query has been received via Pabbly Connect or not, while waiting for the response. And you can see the response has just arrived. Let me check the body text directly so that I can actually compare whether the email is the same email. Okay, hi team, I have created a workflow in between Gmail and Google Sheet, but it is not capturing the data. Go back to Gmail. Let's cross check. Hi team, I have created a workflow between Gmail and Google Sheets, but it is not capturing the data. Yes, it is the same query. That means we have actually received the email. We have started receiving the emails which are actually coming to Gmail. But I don't want to send the data of every incoming email to the Google Sheets. For that, I will have to specify a condition that send only those specific emails which are of my use. I can actually do it with the help of filter by Pabbly. Okay, and here we are going to apply a filter in the subject line, that if the subject line will consist of these particular words, okay, basically contains these particular words. So let's assume that in my queries few words are common. Issue is the word which generally people addresses while sending the email. Again, search for the subject line. Okay, when the subject line contains, let's say the workflow word. Okay, then proceed. Okay, now again I am adding one more condition. If my subject line contains the feedback word, okay, feedback word contains, again do not put the equal to, change it to contains feedback word. Or lastly, I am going to set the last condition again in my subject line only. If people are mentioning in their subject line something like error, okay, in that case, oh, something is wrong, let me type it again. Okay, in that cases, add the email address of this person to my Google Sheet. Click on save and send test request, and you can see the condition is true. Why condition is true? Let me check the subject line of this particular email which I have just received. Where is the subject line? Okay, let me check. And you can see facing an issue in Pabbly Connect help. Which particular condition has just got satisfied? Well, this issue word was actually present in my subject line. That is why the condition is true. Okay, moving further, now select the second application as Google Sheets, and in the action event you'll have to select for add new row. Click on connect, click on add new connection, click on again connect with Google Sheets, and finally connect the account in which your Google Sheet is there. So I have provided the access, and you can see my Google account is connected with Google Sheets. Select spreadsheet. So basically whatever the spreadsheets are available in my account has started visible here. I'm going to select which sheet. Let me show you. This is the sheet in which I would like to add my Gmail data. This Gmail data is the name and sheet is 1. Sheet 1 is here. Okay, go back to Pabbly Connect. Gmail data, sheet 1. Now what are these? From email, from name, subject line, and email content. So basically whatever the columns I have created in my Google Sheet are actually visible here. All I have to do is to fill the above data which I have received from Gmail here in these fields, and this is how the data will be sent here. Okay, in from email, simply select the field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, I'm going to select the from email as this. I have mapped the name. Basically the email is required here. The from name, again open this and map the name. The subject line, again open this particular thing and map the subject line. Okay, let's search for the subject line directly. Okay, this is the subject line. And lastly, the email content, so basically the body text. Okay, so I have mapped it, and let me tell you, whatever the values I am going to map is going to change automatically with every new email received. Okay, this is the importance of mapping in Pabbly Connect. Now let's click on save and send test request and see the response. You can see the response is received. Let's go back to my sheet and wait for the response, and you can see the data of that particular person, basically the from name, from email, everything has been added here automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now onwards, since we have created this automation under Pabbly Connect, every time a new email is received, the email parser will fetch the data here, and firstly it is going to check the conditions. If the condition is getting satisfied, it is going to add the data automatically in Google Sheets, and this is how our Gmail to Google Sheets automation will work. And lot of people ask me, even after creating the automation, do they really need to do this particular setting in Pabbly Connect again and again? No. Once you have created the automation, you are all set to go. You can close Pabbly Connect simply, and Pabbly Connect will do its job in the backend. I will also attach this shareable link in my description box so that you can clone this entire automation in your account directly, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.